Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wriggler. Happy Thursday. Yesterday we read a book called Too Many Carrots, and today we're going to read a book called Harry the Dirty Dog. Before we read it, I want to go over one of our reading words since I haven't seen you guys in a while. Does anybody know what this word is? This says character. What is a character? See if you can fill in the blanks. A character is a or a and a that If you said a person or an animal in a book that talks, you're right. So in Harry the Dirty Dog, if we look at the cover, there is a dog right here and a dog right here. I want you to make a prediction. Do you think Harry the Dirty Dog is about two dogs? Or is this the same dog, but something has happened to him? What do you think? We're going to read and see if your prediction was correct. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see the pages. Harry the Dirty Dog by Jean Zion. Pictures by Margaret Bloy Graham. If Margaret Bloy Graham drew the pictures, that means she is the author or illustrator. If you said illustrator, you're right. Harry was a white dog with black spots who liked everything except getting a bath. So one day, when he heard the water running in the tub, he took the scrubbing brush and buried it in the backyard. Then he ran away from home. He played where they were fixing the street and got very dirty. He played at the railroad and got even dirtier. He played tag with other dogs and became dirtier still. He slid down a coal chute and got the dirtiest of all. In fact, he changed from a white dog with black spots to a black dog with white spots. Although there were many other things to do, Harry began to wonder if his family thought he had really run away. He felt tired and hungry too, so without stopping on the way, he ran back home. When Harry got to his house, he crawled through the fence and sat looking at the back door. One of the family looked out and said, "There's a strange dog in the backyard. By the way, has anyone seen Harry?" When Harry heard this, he tried very hard to show them that he was Harry. He started to do all of his old clever tricks. He flip-flopped and flop-flipped. He rolled over and played dead. Do you think his family knows that's Harry? Why do you think they don't think it's Harry? He danced and he sang. He did these tricks over and over again, but everyone shook his head and said, "Oh no, it couldn't be Harry." gave up and walked slowly towards the gate, but suddenly he stopped. He ran to a corner of the garden and started to dig furiously. Soon he jumped away from the hole, barking short, happy barks. He'd found the scrubbing brush, and carrying it in his mouth, he ran into the house. Up the stairs he dashed, with the family following close behind. He jumped into the bathtub and sat up begging, with the scrubbing brush in his mouth, a trick he certainly had never done before. "This little doggy wants a bath," cried the little girl, and her father said, "Why don't you and your brother give him one?" Do they know it's Harry yet? Harry's bath was the soapiest one he'd ever had. It worked like magic. As soon as the children started to scrub, they began shouting, "Mommy! Daddy! Look, look! Come quick!" "It's Harry! It's Harry! It's Harry!" they cried. Harry wagged his tail and was very, very happy. His family combed and brushed him lovingly, and he became once again a white dog with black spots. It was wonderful to be home. After dinner, Harry fell asleep in his favorite place, happily dreaming of how much fun it had been getting dirty. He slept so soundly, he didn't even feel the scrubbing brush he'd hidden under his pillow. The end. So if you had made a prediction about how many dogs Harry the Dirty Dog was it about one dog or two dogs? If you said one dog, you're right. This is Clean Harry, and over there, that's Dirty Harry, but it's still the same dog. I look forward to reading to you again tomorrow. Bye.